please subscribe right now and give me that thumbs up button. Thank you. Let's turn it around real quick so you can see the back of this second wave right here. And let's take it out of the box. Here he is out of the box. Definitely a scary looking face. I love how ferocious he looks, and these legs right here just make him look so evil and just mean. Definitely love all the details. Some people are scared of clowns. They have an actual phobia of clowns. I know someone that does. They're terrified of them. Even the happy ones. Absolutely terrified of them. Let me know if you know anyone that's like that. I just love like how the hair looks. Just the legs have such great detail. There's a look at his back. There's a look at his other side. And there you go, with a close-up HD look at the Pennywise with spider legs. Let me know your opinion on this one. Where do you rank it versus the other ones that released? I think this one is definitely up there. It has amazing details. Let me know your opinions. I will link information in the description box below if you're looking for this one, and I highly recommend it. I definitely think this is one of the better ones out of all the different Pennywise Funko Pops that are on the market. Once again, don't forget to subscribe here. Definitely a good idea to hit that notification bell also so that you get any information ASAP. Like when I found out about the Thanos 10-inch and the Porg 10-inch restocking, I posted a video and a lot of people were able to score. The Porg is still available, the 10-inch. If you're looking for that, I will put that in the description box below to help you guys out. And the first thing I got is some Funko Pop cases right here to protect some of my rare pops. I highly recommend them. I mean, they protect, you know, the chases, the limited edition ones that it's tough to get, and you can't just buy new ones. So yeah, I like to have these cases. I will link that in the description box below. All my chases that you see above, they all have the case, except this one. I want to get like a custom case for that one. That's the first pickup I got. Got a bunch of these pop protectors. Once again, I will put a link in the description box below if you're looking for them. I highly recommend them. Now, the next pickup is an exclusive from Walmart. It is a Walmart exclusive, and we're about to check it out. Now, I did not see this movie or read the book yet. I'm probably gonna check the book out first because I keep hearing I should do that. Shout out to my dude Jumpman James. He just raves about how great the book is, and he's got pretty good taste, so I'm gonna definitely check it out. But I've seen this online and it is available still, so if you're looking for it, I will put a link also to help you. I will put a link also to help you guys out. This is from Ready Player One. We get up close. I love the look. It's got I forgot what that kind of look is, patina or something like that. If I sound stupid, I apologize. Kind of like that copperish, kind of aged look to it. Pretty cool. Little dented the box, but it's alright. I'm not tripping over it. I don't know much about this character yet, but I heard so much great stuff about Ready Player One that I seen this available and I decided I should probably pick it up because I'll probably regret not getting it later. So this is my first Funko Pop pickup, besides the cases, of course. Now this is the Grail right here, as you've seen titled Unboxing Funko Pop Grail Chase. This is one I've been wanting for so long, and by the way, I have ink on my hand because a pen exploded and I cannot get it off. I keep washing and washing, it just won't come off. I'm gonna use sandpaper soon, maybe that'll work. I'll just sandpaper the damn skin off of my hand. Just kidding, but let's hope this is good right here. I hope it's in good condition and what I want, and I'm so excited to check this out. Oh man, I've been wanting this one for so long. So if you watch on a regular basis, I always say I'm looking to make trades for it, and it's in a case like they said. You see what it is, right? Oh, I'm so happy right now. I'm so happy. I used to love this when I was a kid. You know, the bubble wrap. Just always loved it as a kid. Used to always pop and pop. Put it on the ground and step on it. Let me know if you did that when you were a kid. And this is my first time having one of these kind of cases. I was always curious about it, but it looks like it's in mint condition. But yeah, man, we finally got it. We got the Pennywise Chase. So I got all the Pennywises that released so far. I gotta say, it does look way better in person than in the photos. And his hair is like this, like, dark maroon. I know there's like a special name for it. Leave that in the comment box. But the Chase is awesome. The Chase is awesome. It definitely is. And let me see if I have the regular one around here. I don't think I do, unfortunately. But wait a minute. Let me look real quick. I'm sorry. Just give me a second. Hit that thumbs up button while we look. I see it right here. I'm pretty sure it is right here. Nope. But I'm going to show you this one. This is another one. We got this one. Here, this is the Pennywise with teeth. Show you that one real quickly. Which to me is the best one. This is the best one. The Pennywise with teeth. I think that's the best one. This one's also pretty cool too. The Pennywise Walmart exclusive with the hair blowing on the face. I think it's got like a real eerie look to it. I always was a fan of that one. And I was so happy when I scored it. And I might as well break out all of them. I'm sorry. Just give me a second. Let me know in the comment box which one is your favorite. I'm just like digging through some of my other Funko Pops. And this right here is the Pennywise with balloon. That's the FYE exclusive. Come on, where the heck is it? Of course I find every single one except the one that I'm looking for. Unbelievable. Where are you? Oh, I think I found it. Yes, we found it. Here we go. So we can do a quick comparison now. Looking at both of them. So here's the close-up at both of them. The standard version and the Chase. You see the outfit, it's basically the same color as his face. Versus on this one, it's got like a gray shade on it. As you see up close. And the hair is orange. And then looking at this one right here. See how the outfit basically like matches the face with the hair in that different color. Definitely a cool Funko Pop. Let me line up the other ones. We'll do like a quick comparison of all of them. Back it up. So there's a look at all of them. Let me know which one is your favorite. The Pennywise with teeth, the Pennywise with boat, the Pennywise Chase, the Pennywise with balloon, or the Pennywise with wig. There's a bunch of other ones that are going to be coming. There's a bunch of others that will be coming out soon, but leave your comments. Let me know which one's your favorite. Make sure to join my Patreon, patreon.com/DJ Delz. Join my Patreon and you get an hour podcast every single week exclusive to Patreon members. Plus you're entered into a monthly giveaway. I don't have a ton of members, so there's a good chance you will possibly win. You'll probably have a better chance than one of them Instagram or YouTube giveaways. So definitely check out my Patreon, patreon.com/DJ Delz. Thanks for tuning in. Much love. And leave them comments. I love reading them comments. Here's a close-up look at Pennywise with teeth. Close-up at Pennywise with boat. which you still could get. I'll put a link in the description box below when I get a chance. There is the Chase. There is a close-up of Pennywise with the balloon. And last but not least, Pennywise with wig. Really awesome. Got a great effect to it, you know. Leave your comments. Let me know which one you like the best. Or make a list. 1 being your favorite, 5 being your least favorite. I'd love to read your comments, so definitely do so. If you've seen Ready Player One, let me know what you thought of it. Or if you read the book, also let me know what you thought of that also. But this video right here is focused on this right here. I finally got, out of the first release, I got all of them. Finally.